Learn English to Gujarati. First impressions, clarity and doubt with.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Welcome, detective of tiny details. Hey, you are about to learn some wonderfully useful English and Gujarati expressions. And yes, some of them sound like they belong in a courtroom, a mystery novel, or a very dramatic family WhatsApp message. Today you will meet 8 expressions, on closer inspection, at first glance, without further ado, with emphasis, in no uncertain terms, subject to reservation, without prejudice, and in doubt. In Gujarati, that gives us
નજીકથી જોતા. પ્રથમ નજરે. વધુ વિલંબ વિના. ભારપૂર્વક. સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં. અનામતના આધીન. પૂર્વગ્રહ વિના.
and.
શંકામાં.
Let us learn them in a story, because your brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. At first glance, the goat was innocent. Start with the fast impression phrase. This one is perfect when you want to talk about what seems true at the beginning. The village square was calm. At first glance, everything looked normal. In Gujarati, that is.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Say it with me, at first glance.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Example. At first glance, the house looked small. In Gujarati.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Gara nanam lagiam. Funny image.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
The cat looks like a loaf of bread. Then it blinks and judges you. Mini contrast.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Is the first look. Later, when you inspect more carefully, you use a different phrase. On closer inspection, the goat had sunglasses. Now we zoom in. This phrase is what you use when the truth appears only after a better look. On closer inspection becomes
નજીકથી જોતા.
say it slowly.
નજીકથી જોતા.
It gives the feeling of leaning in and noticing details. Example. On closer inspection, the painting had tiny cracks. Gujarati.
નજીકથી જોતા.
Citramam nani Bengalio hati. Story moment. At first glance, or.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
The goat looked ordinary. On closer inspection, or.
નજીકથી જોતા.
It was wearing sunglasses and chewing somebody's homework. Memory trick. First look equals.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
Closer look equals.
નજીકથી જોતા.
Without further ado, the drama began. This one is pure host energy. Imagine a person on stage with a microphone and far too much confidence. Without further ado in Gujarati is.
વધુ વિલંબ વિના.
Example. Let us start without further ado. Gujarati.
ચાલો વધુ વિલંબ વિના શરૂઆત કરીએ.
Picture a turtle host speaking for 40 minutes about curtains, lighting, weather, and snacks. Then suddenly the turtle says.
વધુ વિલંબ વિના.
Too late, turtle. Too late. Use it when launching something, a speech, a show, an announcement, or your brave attempt to assemble furniture without reading instructions. Say it with emphasis. Now we add force, not shouting wildly like a pirate who lost his sandwich, but stressing the point clearly. With emphasis is.
ભારપૂર્વક.
Example. She said it with emphasis. Gujarati. Tane te.
ભારપૂર્વક.
Kahiyam. Imagine a teacher saying. Do not feed the photocopier. That is.
ભારપૂર્વક.
You can also connect it with weight. The word sounds heavy because the idea carries weight.
ભારપૂર્વક.
In no uncertain terms means very clear indeed. This phrase sounds formal, serious, and slightly like someone is about to end a foolish argument. Very useful. In no uncertain terms becomes.
સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં.
Literal feeling, in clear words. Very direct. No fog, no mystery, no, maybe the goat signed the contract accidentally. Example. He explained the rules in no uncertain terms. Gujarati. Tane niyamo.
સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં.
Samajavya. Mini comparison.
ભારપૂર્વક.
Is about stress or emphasis.
સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં.
Is about clear, direct wording. Often they are friends. Very serious friends. The legal corner nobody asked for, but here it is. You are doing great. Now let us visit the land of formal phrases, where documents wear neckties. Subject to reservation is.
અનામતના આધીન.
Example. The contract is subject to reservation. Gujarati.
करार अनामतना अधीन छे.
Think of a stamp on a document. Not final, not fully free, there is a condition. That is.
अनामतना अधीन.
Without prejudice is.
पूर्वग्रह विना.
Example. Please review the case without prejudice. Gujarati. Kirpa Kareen Kesa.
पूर्वग्रह विना.
Samikso. This phrase is about fairness and lack of bias. Imagine a judge, a mediator, or your grandmother trying to decide who really finished the mango pickle. When in doubt, do not ask the goat. Last phrase for today, uncertainty. A very human feeling, and also the feeling you get when online maps say, you have arrived, but you are clearly in a lake. In doubt is.
शंकामा.
Example. When in doubt, ask a question. Gujarati. Jair.
शंकामा.
Ho, Tayer Prasna Pucho. Example. If you are in doubt, wait a moment. Gujarati. Jo Tame.
शंकामा.
Ho, Tathodam Raha Juo. Picture yourself at a crossroads, holding snacks, looking left and right. That floating feeling of uncertainty is.
शंकामा.
Quick dialogue challenge. Now you hear the phrases in a mini scene. Just relax and notice how they fit together. Host.
વધુ વિલંબ વિના.
Let us begin the village mystery contest. Judge.
પ્રથમ નજરે.
The evidence looks simple. Detective. But.
નજીકથી જોતા.
The footprint is actually from a dancing goat. Teacher. I said.
ભારપૂર્વક.
That no goats were allowed in the library. Mayor. Let me state this.
સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં.
The goat must return the dictionary. Lawyer. Any settlement is.
અનામતના અધીન.
Mediator. Please discuss this.
પૂર્વગ્રહ વિના.
Assistant. I am still.
શંકામાં.
About how the goat learned to read. Mini quiz for your brilliant brain. No pressure. Okay, tiny pressure. But the fun kind. What is Gujarati for at first glance?
પ્રથમ નજરે.
What is Gujarati for on closer inspection?
નજીકથી જોતા.
What is Gujarati for without further ado?
વધુ વિલંબ વિના.
What is Gujarati for with emphasis?
ભારપૂર્વક.
What is Gujarati for in no uncertain terms?
સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં.
What is Gujarati for subject to reservation?
અનામતના અધીન.
What is Gujarati for without prejudice?
પૂર્વગ્રહ વિના.
What is Gujarati for in doubt?
શંકામાં.
Friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just learned formal and expressive Gujarati phrases without falling asleep in a pile of legal papers. Thank you for learning with me today. Practice these phrases aloud.
પ્રથમ નજરે. નજીકથી જોતા. વધુ વિલંબ વિના. ભારપૂર્વક. સ્પષ્ટ શબ્દોમાં. અનામતના અધીન. પૂર્વગ્રહ વિના.
And.
શંકામાં.
Keep practicing, use them in your own sentences, and come back for another round. Your Gujarati is getting sharper already.